Hello traders, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, March 18th, 2025, we're diving deep into AUDUSD, looking at both recent news and its chart patterns. First, let's quickly cover the news. Recent reports show the Australian dollar hovering near a three-month high, potentially influenced by hawkish signals from the Reserve Bank of Australia. However, caution is in the air as investors await the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decision. Now, let's switch gears to the charts and see how this translates into price action. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of consolidation followed by a recent push upwards. However, more recent candles show some chop and volatility. We see a long downward trend from late 2024 to early 2025, where it mostly has been consolidating. Let's narrow in on a tighter range of dates in the daily chart. Now focusing on the last 6 months, from September 2024 to March 2025, we can see a downtrend followed by a consolidation pattern. Zooming in on the recent price action for the last month, we observe fluctuating price action with a downward bias. The most recent candles show attempts to rally, but no sustained upward movement. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see much more granular price action, which has been mostly sideways. Also, looking at the 15-minute chart for an even closer look at the current price action, we observe tight consolidation patterns. Based on the daily chart, a key resistance level to watch is around 0.6400, while a support level can be identified around 0.6300. A decisive break above 0.6400 could signal further bullish momentum, while a drop below 0.6300 might indicate a bearish reversal. Given the uncertainty surrounding the Federal Reserve's decision, the AUDUSD pair could remain range-bound in the short term. If the Fed signals a more hawkish stance than expected, we could see downward pressure on AUDUSD. Conversely, a dovish stance from the Fed could provide a boost. Keep an eye on upcoming economic data releases from both Australia and the US, as these could provide further catalysts for price movement. To summarize, key price levels to watch are resistance at 0.6400 and support at 0.6300. The market appears undecided at the current moment. A break above 0.6400 with strong volume would suggest a bullish move, while a drop below 0.6300 could lead to further downside. The likelihood of either scenario is about equal, given the mixed signals. Looking ahead, pay close attention to any announcements from the RBA and the Fed, as well as any major shifts in global risk sentiment. This has been Explain the Charts. Thanks for tuning in.